So many of you have a 2004 Navigator and everything works really well for the most part. However, the buttons on your lock stop working, and it's really a nice feature. And I went and found out that basically all you need to do is replace the head unit, and they sell it for about $140 at Ford. And this is what it looks like. And you don't need to do any programming or anything. I'm going to pull it out of the bag for you. Hope I'm not giving you a headache. Stuck. Okay. So this is it, and you can see it's just, there's the buttons. It's brand new. There's the plug. There's no programming you have to do. You just have to take this door off. And in taking the door off, you need to have 3 tools. You need to have a Phillips screwdriver, which you're going to take out this Phillips, and you're going to need a 20 gauge Torx, which is this. This is a Torx. This is called a Torx. You can have it with or without the hole, it doesn't matter. And then for the bottom area of the door, you need a number 7 millimeter socket, and that will take those out. I always hook them up to a drill and get them off real fast. Again, this is another tool that I talk about that's really just probably one of the best tools to pry and everything. I'm going to set the camera up and just let you watch. I've never taken one apart, but it's pretty straightforward, and I've done many doors.